Tax day is fast approaching, and whether you grow crops or raise livestock, there are important things farmers need to know when filing their returns. KTVO's Troy Moling has some tips for farmers just in time for April 15th.
Maybe you've got 20 acres or maybe you've got 200. However big your farm, there are things you need to know when Uncle Sam comes calling. Crop insurance. Insurance payments from crop damage count as income. Generally, this needs to be reported in the year you get them. Sale of items purchased for resale. If you sold livestock or items that you bought for resale, you must report the sale. Your profit or loss is the difference between your selling price and the cost of the item. That cost may also include other amounts you paid, such as sales tax and freight. Weather-related sales. Bad weather, such as drought or flood, may force you to sell more livestock than you normally would in a year. If so, you may be able to delay reporting a gain from the sale of the extra animals. Employee wages. You can deduct reasonable wages you paid to your farm's full and part-time workers. Remember, you must withhold Social Security, Medicare, and income taxes from their paychecks. Net operating losses. If your expenses are higher than your income for the year, you may have a net operating loss. You can carry that loss over to other years and deduct it, and you may also be able to lower your tax in future years. Farm income averaging. You may be able to average some or all of the current year's farm income by spreading it out over the past 3 years. This may cut your taxes if your farm income is high in the current year and low in a previous one. Finally, tax credit. You may be able to claim a tax credit if you paid for fuel used on your farm for farming purposes. All important things to keep in mind. Tax day is almost here. Troy Moling, KTVO News.
For a complete list of these and other tax tips, head over to heartlandconnection.com and click on this story.